Okay, next examples on improper integral set 3. Right? So two mark here. So first example, minus infinity to plus infinity. Test the convergence of the following. So minus infinity to plus infinity function e raised to minus of x dx. The area is like this. So from minus infinity to plus infinity, between minus infinity to plus infinity, so there is a numbers. So I can write it is 0. So it is 1, 2, 3 like this. It is minus 1, 2, 3 like this. So you know the formula for division of a to b f of x dx. Between a to b in closed interval, a to b there is a numbers. So I can write a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. The formula in between minus infinity to plus infinity, between minus infinity to plus infinity, there is a number, real number. I can choose it is 0. So that equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity. In perpendicular, minus infinity to 0. Function e raised to minus of x dx. E model plus, so 0 to infinity. So plus infinity, e raised to minus of x dx. Right? So split the area. So between minus infinity to 0, then 0 to infinity. So you 1 togore, 2 togore, 3 togore, whatever it may be. So 0 yaake togokante notes irte. You may choose any real number. Right? So now middle yav togondini 0 irodrinda so area of exact divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. So 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ? you 1 togore, 2 togore, 3 togore, minus 1 togore, minus 2 togore, yav ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ may split like this area. Clear? Okay. Then, so it is an improper integral. So I can write limit, it should be proper. Limit of, so lower limit t1 to minus infinity. So it is t1 to 0 e raised to minus of x dx plus limit of t2 to plus infinity e raised to integration of 0 to t2 e raised to minus of x dx. Now integrate this. Limit of t1 to minus of infinity. Integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus of x t1 to 0 plus limit of t2 tends to plus infinity minus of e raised to minus of x 0 to t2. Then upper limit minus of lower limit t1 to minus of infinity. So it is e raised to 0. So minus of minus plus e raised to minus of t1 plus limit of t2 tends to plus infinity minus of e raised to minus of t2. So minus of minus plus e raised to 0. As t1 tends to minus infinity, it is minus 1. So e raised to 0 is 1. So that's why plus e raised to minus of minus infinity plus minus e raised to plus infinity. t2 is plus infinity plus e raised to 0 is 1. So that equal to minus 1 plus e raised to minus into minus, it is plus. So plus e raised to minus infinity value is 0 plus 1. So e raised to plus infinity plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So it is infinity. E raised to infinity, it is infinity, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So infinity plus 0 is again the other number is infinity. So it is infinite. If it is infinite, therefore it is divergent. So this function is divergent. So next example. So second example. Integration of minus infinity to plus infinity 1 divided dx divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus of x. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult ಅಲ್ಲ, so easy ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So I can balance it like this. So minus infinity to plus infinity 1 divided by so e raised to x plus e raised to minus of x dx. So that equal to so integration of 1 divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x formula ಇದೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ವಿ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ e raised to minus x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ e raised to plus x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So minus infinity to plus infinity, I can taking common e e raised to minus of x, e raised to minus of x plus 1 into e raised to minus of x dx. So that equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. So ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ e raised to plus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ e raised to x is e raised to 2x, right? So e raised to 2x plus 1 into dx, right? So that equal to minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to x divided by e raised to x whole square plus 1 into dx. Now split the area between minus infinity to plus infinity, between minus infinity to 0, then 0 to infinity. I can write like this. So minus infinity to 0 e raised to x divided by e raised to x whole square plus 1 into dx plus, so 0 to plus infinity e raised to x divided by e raised to x whole square plus 1 into dx. Now integrate this properly. So put e raised to x equal to z and therefore so simplify. Put e raised to x equal to z. So differentiate this e raised to x dx that equal to e raised to dz. So if you apply the limit, so limit does not changes. So that is equal to that equal to minus infinity to plus infinity plus 0. Better apply limit of t1 to minus infinity. So t1 to 0, substitute value. So it is 1 divided by e raised to x dx value is dz, 1 divided by z square plus 1 into dz plus limit, because of it is an improper, to convert proper apply the limit of t2 tends to plus infinity, integration of 0 to t2 1 divided by z square plus 1 into dz. So as it is 1 divided by x square plus a square, formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So I can write like this. Integration of this tan inverse of x, a value is 1. So limit of t1 to minus infinity. So it is tan inverse of z. So t1 to 0 plus limit of t2 tends to plus infinity, tan inverse of z. So 0 to t2, right? Then what is z? So replace z in terms of e raised to plus x, tan inverse of e raised to x. So t1 to 0 plus limit of t2 tends to plus infinity, right? Tan inverse of e raised to x 0 to t2, isn't it? Then upper limit minus of lower limit. So t1 to minus infinity, tan inverse of e raised to 0 minus tan inverse of e raised to t1. So plus limit of t2 tends to plus infinity. So tan inverse of e raised to t2 minus e raised to tan inverse of e raised to 0. Function ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ e raised to t2. Then apply limit. x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕೋರಿ, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ t1 ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ t2 ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಈಸಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So tan t1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus infinity ಹಾಕೋರಿ, e raised to 0 value is 1. So tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of e raised to minus infinity plus limit tan inverse of e raised to plus infinity. So minus tan inverse of 1. This cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Tan inverse of 1 is, it is 90 degrees. So it is 1 infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is plus 1. Tan inverse of 1 is 0. So cancel. So minus of tan inverse of e raised to minus infinity is 0 plus tan inverse of infinity. Tan inverse of 0 value is 0 plus sin by cos. Sin 0 by cos 0 is 0. So that's why it is 0. Tan inverse of infinity it is pi by 2. So it is a finite. It should be defined, therefore it is convergent.